So hello friends, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings. So today I am going to show you how to use sequence function in MS Excel. So generally MS Excel Office 365 we have the option of sequence function, and apart from that any other MS Excel we don't have an option of sequence. So you can use it using Google Sheet. So I will show you using Google Sheet how to use sequence function today. So let's start the learning. So first thing what you have to do for in Google Sheet, you can log into your Gmail account first. So I have already done it. And if you have not seen the Google Sheet video, so you can just click on the I button and you can see my Google Sheet tutorial. So just I will open it first. Go to your Google Apps. Here you can see you have just scroll down. You will see Google Sheet option. Just click on it. Done. And now you can open a blank workbook or any other existing workbook. So I will open one blank workbook. So just click on the blank and now you can see the Google Sheet is open. So how to use sequence function first I will show you. So I will just give the heading serial number, and in the cell number B2 I will show you how to write sequence function. So using sequence function you can give different forms of series and sequences you can give in your sheet. So first, using sequence function you have to give is equal to and just type the function sequence. So this is done. You can see here return a grid of sequential number. What is the description of this sequence function? It is return a grid of sequential number. Whatever sequence you want, whether a step of 2 or 3, you can give the sequence and you can use it. So I will keep open bracket. Once I have given the open bracket, you can see here different what is the criteria: first row, column, start and step. So row, in which row you want to give, like the number of rows you can give, same for columns. And what is my starting sequence number, and last one is step. So step is the difference between the two sequence, like 1 and 2, my step count will be 1, and if I'm giving 1 and 3, my step count will be 2. So I want like total number of rows, in which how many rows I want sequence. So I want my, you can give if you, I will type it here 10. So only rows if you are giving, you will get the total sequence in your 10 rows, starting from your B2 cell in which I have given the formula. So B2 cell, and you can count the 10 rows and you will get the sequence in that. So I will give 10 and I will just press enter. First I will show you how to use this rows. So I will give 10 and I will press enter. So you can see once I have given the sequence formula with total rows number 10. So in my total 10 rows I have got the sequence. Okay, you can see the count, so it will be total 10 count, 10 rows I have selected, so I got the sequence. So if you are not giving any step count, so Excel will consider the step 1 as a default. So that only I have given it. The next type is, I will show you how to use the other criteria. So I will give it first sequence. I have given just SEQ. If you are typing SEQ, it is an inbuilt function of Excel. You can press tab and sequence is selected. So I have done this. Now I want total how many rows I want the sequence. I want maybe 10 rows. Okay, and if you want the sequence in the column also, like first will be in my B2 and then second will be in my C2 cell, it will take the cell wise, column wise, 2 column it will show the sequence. So I will give like 2 column. And what will be my start number? I will take it as 1. And what will be my step? So I'll give it step 1 and just press enter. So now you can see the sequence which came here, it is in both the column, like it is in a zigzag way: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. so it is taking in a zigzag way. And if I want in a serial wise, like starting from 1 to 10, I want in my column B, and starting from 11 to 20, I want in my column C. So that I will show you how to do that. So here one more, I will change the step. I will show you what the result will be. So I will give my start number will be 2 and my step count will be 2. So what will happen? So you can see the changes. My start number I have given 2, and what will be the step count? I have given the step count of 2. So how it is taking? It is taking 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So here my step count is 2 and my starting number is 2. So, and if you will make it 3, so it will take his legs like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and simultaneously. So you can see the changes. I have given my starting number 3 and it is taking a difference of 2. Step count is 2 and I'm getting my sequence. So I will show you how to give this starting series in the first column, and the next, after my 10th row, the next series has to start from the C2 column and it will go till 20. Okay, so I will show you one more thing. First I will give the row. I want row 10. Okay, total 10 row I want. And if what if I will give the column 3? So I will give 3 and we will try it. Start number will be 1 and step will be 1. Just press enter. Now you can see Excel has taken till 30, but it is taking in a zigzag way. 1, 2, 3 in my first row, second row 4, 5, 6, third is 7, 8, 9, and simultaneously till my 10th row, which is 28, 29, and 30. But I want this in which way? I want my start number starting from 1 to 10 in my first column, second column 11 to 20, and third column should be 21 to 30. So this I want. So what I have to do, just first type the sequence. Okay, what I want, I want total 10 rows and I want 2 columns, and my start number will be 1 and step count I will take 1. So first I have done this. This is done. But what I want this 2 should come here, and starting number will be 1 in my first column and ending number will be 10, and the next series, which is 11 to 20, should start from my C2 cell. So for this I will use transpose. Okay, so what I have to do, just go to your formula and here you type transpose and give one open bracket. Here you can say array of range. So I will close one more bracket, should be there for this transpose function, and press enter. Once I have pressed enter, you can see here I will give the column 1. No, sorry, I think, yeah. Okay, so this is how. Okay, yeah, I got it. So I will give total number of column 3, and yeah, this is the thing, something I think I have done mistake. So what I will take this sequence 10 and 3. So here it is taking in columns. So I will give my column, I will type the full function first. I will use transpose. Okay, transpose, and I want sequence, and what will be my rows? So I will take till 10th rows, and column will be 2 and start will be 1 and step will be 1, and I will close the 2 bracket. And this is, I think, something different I have done. Maybe maybe I'm missing something in this function. So what if I will first remove the transpose first. I have removed the transpose and this is done. Now you can see here the sequence is like this. So I have to do something in this formula. Yeah, I got it. So what I have to do, I will just change this. Okay, so what I will do, I will just give, yeah, first I have to give, I want 2 rows and it should be till 10, and 1 will be my step and one more, one will be my start number and one will be my step. So if I will use this, what will happen? You can see here some error is there. Yeah, some error. I have given D2 here, so I have to remove this. And you can see here the sequence is like this. Okay, first I got my sequence. My sequence is like in my first row 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is till 10, I guess. Yeah, 10. And second one, in second row, my series is starting with 11. So what I have to do, I have to use transpose in this sequence. So once I will use, this row will become column. Okay, so what is the use of transpose? Transpose use is transpose. I will give transpose and I will close the bracket for the transpose function and press enter. Once I have done this, you can see the changes. Series starting from 1 to 10 in my first column and series starting from 11 to 20 is in my second column. And what if you want to increase the columns? So just you have to do what? This rows, you have to change it to 3. Okay, so once you did this, you can see series, one more series came starting from 21 to 30. So what I have done, first I have given the formula for sequence, and when I will remove this transpose, what will happen? This series will come in this rows, and if I will use transpose, the same will be converted to the column. So this is how we are using sequence. One more thing I will show you. Okay, what if I want a particular series to start from some particular number until some, like, I will give you some example first. So just give, like, I want my series to start with 21 and I want to end it with 45. Okay, so here I can't give any step count. Okay, I can give starting number also, I can give. So how to get this particular series? So for this, just use sequence. Now what will be my row? Okay, so I want the number to start from 21 till 45. Okay, so my difference, what is my length of the row, should be this cell, okay, minus this cell. So it will come approx 24, but when you count it, the 24th row, the number which it will take is 44. So I want my 45 also in my last row, okay, in my last cell. So 44 plus 1, I will give plus 1. So when I will give plus 1, it will take 45 also. Now what is my column? So it will be this one column. Okay, make it like one column. Okay, I will give column 1. Just try this, because Google Sheet I'm using this in the first time. Excel Office 365 I've already used it. So start number will be my 21. So this cell I have selected, and just give comma, and step will be 1. Press enter. Yeah, this is done. So what I have given, I want this in my only one column I want, and you can see the last number is 45 and the start number is 21. So this is how we are using sequence function in MS Excel. So in MS Excel, you can use it in MS Office 365, and any other MS Excel version it is not available, but you can use it in Google Sheet and you can practice it. And this is a very helpful function. You can use it and you can practice it in Google Sheet easily, because Google Sheet is available online every time. So using Google Sheet, you can practice this sequence function. So this was all about this video, and thank you so much for watching this video, and please do like and subscribe to my channel for getting further updates and to learn more. Okay, so just keep learning. That's all for the video. Thank you. Bye bye.